Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Jeyuk Bokkeum, which is spicy stir-fried pork. Let's get started. Before I start, I want to give a shout out to James Robitail who requested this episode. This one is for you. First, we need 400 grams of pork belly or neck. Cut it into bite-sized pieces and place it in a large bowl. Jeyuk means pork and Bokkeum means stir-fried, so Jeyukbokkeum means stir-fried pork. Next, we need 1 leek. Cut it into thick slices. Make sure not to cut it too thinly and place it to the side. I don't know how popular Jeyukbokkeum is internationally, but in Korea, it is one of the most popular dishes. You can always find marinated Jeyukbokkeum right next to bulgogi in the supermarket. We also need 1 white onion. Peel it, cut it in half, quarters, chop, and put to the side. There are several different ways to eat Jeyukbokkeum. You can eat it with rice, you can eat it as a lettuce wrap, or put it on top of rice. My favorite way to eat it is making lettuce wraps, or some. I usually make my wraps with lettuce, perilla leaves, garlic, and pork. Now, we need a quarter of a cabbage. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. I'm not putting a lot because I don't really like cabbage, but usually, you would put more like half a cabbage. We also need a half a carrot. Slice it thinly and half your slices. Some restaurants make Jeyukbokkeum with aged kimchi, which is quite sour, to make a unique and flavorful dish. Since I like spice, I'm adding 2 spicy peppers and slicing thinly. Jeyukbokkeum is usually quite spicy, but you can leave this out if you don't like spicy food. Now, we're going to make our sauce for the pork. We need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. I'm using vegan oyster sauce because it's what we have, but regular oyster sauce will taste better. 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, 1, 2, 1 tablespoon of mirim or rice wine, a sprinkle of black pepper, 4 cloves of minced garlic. You can use pre-minced garlic, but fresh will be better. 1.5 tablespoons of red pepper flakes. I'm using an extra spicy variety called 청양고춧가루, and 1 heaping tablespoon of red pepper paste or gochujang. With all these hot peppers, you know this dish isn't kidding around. Mix it well. It should be about the consistency of barbecue sauce. And give it a taste. Ooh. I wanted it a little bit sweeter, so I'm adding an extra half tablespoon of corn syrup. Heat a skillet to medium high and add some vegetable oil. Add your 400 grams of pork. Usually, it is sliced a little thinner, like bulgogi, but I like my pork more chunky. And when the pork begins to brown, add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it well. Jeyukbokkeum is sweet and spicy, saucy, and full of fresh vegetables. When the pork is fully browned, begin to add your sauce and mix it well. The sauce will turn from red to deep orange and thin out considerably. When the pork is fully covered, add your cabbage and carrots and mix well. Since cabbage and carrots take a little longer to cook, we need to add them before the rest of our ingredients. When the cabbage is almost soft, add the rest of your vegetables. In the 1980s, Jeyukbokkeum was invented, which was Jeyukbokkeum on top of the rice. This made the dish small, cheap, and fast. Now Jeyukbokkeum is one of the most popular dishes to eat alone because it's cheap and filling. When the pork is fully cooked, The dish is ready. Put it on a large plate and pour your sauce on top. Sprinkle toasted sesame seeds on top. And that's it. Our Jeyukbokkeum is all ready to eat.
Tastes so good. I thought it was gonna be so spicy, but it's not that spicy, so you should definitely try. See you next week. 안녕! 안녕! Hello guys, thank you for watching. If you like this episode, please hit the like and subscribe. And if you wanna see more video, it's over there, and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below and I will make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!